Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Amazon Seller Central step by step clearly. To register for Amazon Seller Central, begin by visiting the Amazon Services website. Look for the Start Selling button, typically located at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the button to be directed to the Seller Central registration page. You will be presented with two options: individual seller and professional seller. Choose the seller plan that best suits your needs. If you select professional, be aware that there is a monthly subscription fee. Next, you will be prompted to sign in with your existing Amazon account or to create a new one. If you don't have an Amazon account, click on the Create Your Amazon Account link. Fill in your name, email address, and password to set up your new account. Once your account is created, Amazon will send a verification email. Check your email inbox and click on the verification link provided. After verification, log into your Amazon account to continue the registration process. You'll need to provide your business information. Select your business type, such as individual, partnership, or corporation. Next, enter your bank account information for payment processing. Make sure to provide accurate details to avoid any delays. You will also need to enter your tax information, including your Social Security number or tax ID. Amazon may ask for additional documentation to verify your identity. Prepare to upload required documents, such as a government-issued ID or utility bill. Once all information is entered, review the details carefully for accuracy. Submit your registration by clicking the appropriate button. After submission, Amazon will review your application. You will receive a confirmation email once your account is accepted. This process may take a few minutes to a few days, so be patient. Once approved, log back into Seller Central to set up your seller profile. You can now start listing products and manage your seller account. Follow the prompts to complete your store details and product categories. With everything set up, you're ready to begin selling on Amazon. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.